Think adding captions to your videos is difficult? Nope. Want more people watching your ads and videos? Fact. Adding captions increases viewer watch time and engagement. People choose to watch videos without sound. They're in a public place, at work, at home, and don't want these posts blaring out and disturbing everyone else. You know those looks. So captions aren't just something cute to add to your videos, they're the most effective way to get your ads and videos seen and watched. It's a shame more people don't add captions to their videos, as it is stupid easy. I know, there's the captioning technology and understanding sidecar files and SRT, SCC, MCC, XML. You don't need to know all that. Here's this video in Premiere Pro, and here's what the caption file looks like. Yeah, you totally do not want to type all this out. Render out the video you're working on and send it to Rev. Get it captioned in a couple of hours, get back one of these caption files. I mean, seriously, I have a 3-minute video and I need captions. That's $3. So here's the file I got back. Ready for the magic? I got my captions file and I drag it into Premiere Pro. I place the captions file on top of the video and bam! I've got captions. Like any video track, I can play with the scale and position as I like. Now when you render out the video, click on the Captions tab and tell Premiere you want to burn these into the video. Render away and you've got a captioned video file that can be uploaded to Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Instagram TV, and even YouTube. And your viewers will really appreciate it. See, I told you these captions are stupid easy. If you want to dig deeper into captions in Premiere Pro, double-click the captions file and you can do all sorts of things. Change the fonts, colors, edit the captions and their timings, and so on. You can also go to the timeline and move these captions around, although you probably won't need to do that unless you further edit the video. If you like these tips, hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more coming your way. I hope that helps, and thanks for watching. So this welder walks into a bar. Get it? You know, steelworker. Bar. See, the welder works with steel bar